Hello guys, and welcome to weekly tracking here on Pound USD. And here on this Pound USD this week, we saw a huge retracement, a huge rejection actually from this region of 37.50 here on Pound USD last week. We actually saw price really snipe up to that region last week, and currently we are seeing more like an evening star formation here on the daily. We could be expecting more further retracements down to 36.00 region, where we could see a full confluence of break of trend line and retest of it, a retest of this strong region here, and then we could actually see price rally back to continue its bullish momentum. If we could draw this right here, we could see that how price is at this region right now. So more like what we're expecting currently on this on the intraday. On the intraday, I'm probably expecting price to either continue rolling over here, which I don't trust, or price to break in during the London session to these regions, put me a rejection there to actually support a fib rejection of 60% or 70%, 78% region, and then we could just roll over right here. We could just roll over back to 36 region. Yeah, so I'll take profit to be at this region, and then we could actually see a new formation of structure to see if price will reject this region, and then we could continue bullish. Bear in mind that there's a possibility that price could actually come back into this region, but there's it should probably not be possible because we have a strong zone here. But anything is possible here actually in the forex market. So we could see price break back a little bit into this region, pick up a lot of orders, and they'll continue bullish. But for now, we're bearish on the intraday. We could see price roll to 36 region, and then we could now continue our bullish sentiment. Hello guys, and welcome to weekly tracking here on Pound USD, and this happens to be the most successful trades for the week. We had a smash of TP on Monday over here for 1:3. We had another trade yesterday for 1:2.5, and towards the end of yesterday we tried going in for buys, and we just had a takeoff of these weeks right here. It's painful, right? Yeah, but it is what it is. So currently here on Monday, we said we're expecting price to actually roll down to 1.3600 for the least, and that is what happened. We took our trade basically because we expected price to be bearish, right, creating lower lows and lower highs, lower lows and lower highs, and that's how we took the trades from Pound USD. Now price has rolled into a very critical support zone, and basically we see it was a break of trend line and a huge support retest. So currently at the moment we'll be looking for buys, and we're expecting GU to actually go in for a long-term buys right now. But going into tomorrow and next tomorrow, which is Friday, we could see price try to maybe pick up a lot of orders before it starts going on to those buys. I'll take off all this on my chart, but I needed to show you guys how I had these successful trades. Currently, if we're looking for more confluences to actually go in for buys, we could just take this. It's not perfect, but more like a guidance for this trend, a break of it, and we could just see a retest of this region, and I'll be looking for a good structure to go in for buys. I'll catch you guys on Friday. For now, I'll be looking for buys, and let's see how that goes. Ciao. All right, welcome guys to weekly tracking here on Pound USD, and currently listen, this has to be the best trade of the week. Pound USD rolling over from remember we opened the week right from here, so we decided, I told you guys this was my markup right here. So I expected price to come to 136 region and reject this region and pull back up. That was my highest bias, right? So we could see that the first half of this trade this bias has just played out. If you see a couple of the week, beautiful price action here, break and retest formations, beautiful here on Pound USD, and then we saw this mini trend line break, a break of it, to retest of it, to sub price push back up, just beautiful. So I had successful trades and just one loss here on Pound USD. Currently Pound USD is at a strong demand zone, and trust me, a continuous rejection of this region, I might just see a buy, but I'm not just going to buy for long. It might just be a scalping because this zone might just reject and still push USD back down. So we might see pound USD going into the next week, pull back into this region, create some rejections here before continuing, or we could just see a rejection here and going into next week we could see price roll back into the new highs. Let me clear most of these charts. Sorry, let's see this here. Okay, cool. Let's clear this one too. These two. All right, just clean. Let's see how this plays out for the rest of the day. Going into New York section, what I'm expecting from pound USD going forward is a total rejection of this region, and we could see price pull back up. At least might just come back and break all the if price refuses to break in the intraday perspective. Since Wednesday we saw price refusing to break back into 3668 region, which might just see us continue bullish. But currently I still feel bullish in this bullish sentiment right now, because this is a strong zone. 1 2 3 rejection. I see myself going into GU buys, and for the rest of the day we could see price go up. But at the moment, let's see this. Pulling up our Fibonacci before this bullish run right here, we see price just head back into 50% zone, and currently at between 50 and 61% zone. So if price refuses to reject here, which I might be considering going to buys on this trade, we might see just price just come into this region. Let's make it clear. This price might just decide to come all the way to 35 33 region before it pulls back up, but most likely price might just reject this region beautifully, and then we see price roll back up beautifully, right? So let's see how the rest of the day plays out here on pound USD, and taking out this Fibonacci retracement tool. Let's see what's up, right? Let's see how price continues. I'll see you guys on Monday. Ciao.